Have you ever used the navigation pane in Excel? This is especially useful if you've got lots of worksheets, lots of tables of data, maybe named ranges as well. So it's a way of moving around your workbook more quickly and more easily. From the View tab on the ribbon, I choose Navigation. This will bring up the navigation pane on the right hand side. What I've got here is first of all a list of worksheet names, so it's an easy way just for me to switch to a different worksheet, especially if you had lots within the workbook. Or you could go to a particular area on a worksheet. So on my orders worksheet, I've got a named range called orders list. If I click onto that, it takes me straight to that named range. You can also use the search to find what you're looking for. I want to go to a worksheet that starts with the word customer, so I'm just going to start typing that in, and you'll see that as I'm typing it comes up with that worksheet name, or I could go straight to a particular part of that worksheet, but I'm just going to click on the worksheet name and it takes me straight there. So a really good time saver, especially if you've got a very busy workbook.